Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a Saturday morning solo launch. Did ask the guys out lah. So one laut, I think he's working. The rest all working, I guess. So nonetheless, solo mission. As usual, Pasir Ris. What I'm gonna do today is probably follow the tide. Right now it's still receding, so the tide still going towards Changi. Sorry about that. My drive a bit squeaky right now. Got to oil this after I come back later. So heading towards Changi side, the current right now. So we're gonna follow the tide. Probably gonna end up at kelong 17, somewhere around there. That's the intention to go towards kelong 17 and just stop along the way. We'll see how lah. Okay, so wish me luck and pray for my safety, guys. Right, guys, first spot just outside of Pasir Ris, near the orange barge. Okay, near the floating kelong. So first test with a live bait. We'll see how lah. See if there's any activity down there. First drop. Bit cloudy right now. Used to be a kelong around here, so a lot of the kelongs around Pasir Ris has already been dismantled. Even over at Ubin, a couple of kelong already missing. Right, guys, I decided to cross over to Ubin. Right now I'm at Ubin. Just in front of me is the Smith floating restaurant. Tide still receding, so it's still pushing me towards Changi. So I'm just gonna follow the tide until it dies down. Then just gonna stay around that area. And when the tide changes, it will push me back towards Pasir Ris. Then just follow the tide back lah. Slowly drift so bottom drifting. So far nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. This guy is building up. So it's very dark right now over on my right side. Over at Changi side, very dark right now. So I'm expecting it to rain later. So gotta prepare myself. Okay, pray for my safety, guys. It's gonna be a long day, guys. Seeing that over at Changi side. Thank you. Okay. Visibility is quite bad. Country further than the orange barge over at Malang Papan. First fish of the day, guys. I don't know what it is, but it's a fish. Oh, it's a grouper. It's a grouper. Alhamdulillah. From here today. Alhamdulillah. What a long day. What a long wait. Finally a grouper, guys. That's a long wait, man, for a grouper. Okay, not too big. This one. What is it? Not too sure, guys. Another grouper lah, same size. Same size. Bit slow today. So what's happening, man? Not too big. Well, better than nothing. Alright guys, it's already 1 PM. I'm gonna stay here about 1:15, then gonna slowly make my way back towards Pasir Ris. I don't know about the other anglers, but I feel that the bite rate is extremely slow today. Especially it was raining earlier, then after the rain I expected the bite rate to be picking up, but still the same, very slow today. So never mind, I still got about a good 3 hours to try, and let's see what I can get later. Okay, inshallah. Yes. NG. Yeah. Ngau. Alhamdulillah. Ngau. Haha. Peace off. Okay guys, one ungan lah, spotted snapper. Alhamdulillah. Okay lah, finally guys, one good fish. Not too big, but alhamdulillah. Okay guys, time now 3:55. Okay, 10 minutes overtime. Okay lah, saved by my last catch, the spotted snapper. Bite rate is very slow today. Hit by a heavy rainstorm this morning. Then the sun came out, so I was expecting the fish activity will be better after that, but was wrong. So very slow bite rate. Alhamdulillah, I still managed to catch 2 groupers, not too big, small groupers, so deep fry the groupers, be nice. And my last catch, the spotted snapper, alhamdulillah, jadilah. Okay, so just happy to be out here lah. Wasted one laut, Aja and Kip couldn't be with me today. Everyone's working, so probably the next launch I'll be going out with them. Okay, so that's it for today. Do drop a like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification for more videos. Thanks guys.